What's the meaning of cultivation? Cultivation. Cultivation.
Cultivation. Cultivation. Cultivation refers to the act of growing and nurturing plants or crops, often for the purpose of producing food or other resources. It can also refer to the development of personal qualities or skills through deliberate and sustained effort over time. The result of cultivation can vary depending on the context, but generally includes improved productivity, increased yields, higher quality products, and a greater sense of personal fulfillment and satisfaction. Through cultivation, individuals and communities are able to create and sustain the resources needed to thrive and prosper.